What's happening? What's up? It's Thursday. Just at home. Just came from a walk. Realizing that, man, how good do I have it and how good do you have it? Man, I'm still on this whole thing at work and so many thoughts just go through my mind, but you know what? I'm still grateful, man. So much gratitude. So much gratitude, man. Why? Because it's I don't know, when you change your perspective on life and just whatever's happening in your life, the perspective shift within me is like, there's no more guilt, there's no more shame, there's just gratitude for what, I have gratitude, and that's all I really can say. I can't really explain it to nobody. I just have gratitude. For what? For whatever's going on with me, without me, what's going on within me, without me. I'm just so full of gratitude, man. And it's the simple things in life that we seem to ignore, and we complain about more things in life than what we really have in this life. Maybe your financially thing is not right, because my mind complains about that too. Maybe your relationships are not going well. Maybe you want this and want that and you don't have it. But my whole shift within me is I have what I need, and that's it. I have what I need. I could be right, I could be wrong, but I live my life a certain way and I have what I need. And other people live their lives a certain way and they have what they need. There's so much judgment in me. There's so much what ifs in me, and I don't need to figure nothing out. Because I have what I need. I don't need to search for things because I have what I need. And that's the shift within me, is that I have what I need. I only have so much control of certain things. And when I don't have what I need, then I try to control life, and that's when life seems to just keep going down in a spiral, right? When I try to control things, that's when life seems to get dark. And I came up with this realization is just that we don't really have so much control. We think we do. When we try to control things out of our control, that's when overthinking happens. That's when judgment happens, and that's when a whole bunch of negativity happens. And I'm learning that I have what I need, and so do you, but it's up to you to see that. And like I said, it could be with anything in life, right? Who am I to say that you don't have what you need? I have what I need. I'm choosing my own journey. I'm choosing my own gratitude, and that's how I can really live life. Yeah, I know gratitude doesn't pay the bills. Yeah, I know gratitude doesn't do this and do that, but hey, whatever I need to pay is paid, and that's all I really can be in gratitude about. As long as you do your part in life, then that's all you really can do, is do your part, whatever your part is. It's like sometimes I reach for things and keep reaching and reaching and reaching, and I just keep getting air. Maybe I need to sit back, relax, and enjoy the air I have, enjoy the breath I have, enjoy the moment I do have. And with this time off work, that's what I'm learning. Maybe I need to enjoy my breath. Maybe I need to enjoy the moment. The birds, the bees, the sounds of the airplanes, the sound of my dog barking, the sound of my chaotic mind. That's what I need to really embrace and enjoy, because I have no control over what's the outcome's going to be. I just know that what the outcome is going to be, and I need to move on with my life. And just be in gratitude, man. That I got to experience what I got to experience. And I had what I had, and nothing in this life is permanent. Nothing in this life is mandatory. It's just life. Everything comes and goes. And I still need to be in gratitude for that. Maybe it's another chapter in my life that I must figure out for myself. Because you keep reaching for things and things are not there. So you're going to keep reaching in desperation, or are you just going to let it be what it is? And I'm letting it be what it is. It's pretty sad when you put so much effort into things and there's nothing there to put effort for anymore. So, as long as you do your part, as long as you do your best, but don't be desperate about it, don't be emotional about it, just let it be what it is, whatever it is. So I'm going to continue watching my wrestling documentaries. Take the day off of workouts today because my shoulder's aching, so my body's telling me I need to relax. I'm going to relax the present, relax some good wrestling documentaries, and continue my day. Have a good day. Learn to be present with yourself. Your chaos is your own chaos, nobody else's. Your own ignorance is your own ignorance, nobody else's. Just be in gratitude for everything. Peace.